Hello, my name is Jonathan Clark and welcome to ISE 2020, where today we are showcasing our Studio X range of room systems in native Teams mode. So here you have a Studio X30 designed for your huddle spaces, up to six participants. It's got an integrated camera, microphone and speakers. Simply connects to any screen. That could be a touch screen if you want to drive it via touch, or we can provide our trios to control the device, or a Studio, the TC8 as a controller. Supporting a single screen, native Teams experience for your smaller huddle spaces with active speaker framing and active speaker tracking. So schedule that meeting, click a button, join your meeting, and then off you go. So if you want to know any more information, please visit our website at poly.com.